Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about XAMPP, an essential tool for anyone looking to develop websites or web applications. Whether you're new to web development or have some experience, XAMPP can help you run your site or application locally on your computer before publishing it online. Today, we'll explore what XAMPP is, why we need it, and how you can use it to develop your websites. Let's get started. First, what is XAMPP? XAMPP is a free software that turns your computer into a server environment. It includes Apache, which acts as the server, MySQL for databases, and PHP and Perl for programming languages. Simply put, it sets up your computer with a complete development environment for your website before you deploy it on a real server. So, why should we use XAMPP instead of just opening HTML files in a browser, or using an editor like Visual Studio Code? The reason is that XAMPP not only runs HTML, it also supports PHP files, which require a server to process the code, and it allows us to work with databases using MySQL. This makes it perfect for testing full website features like login systems, database operations, and other server-side functions before publishing. Now, let's install XAMPP on Windows OS. First, visit the official XAMPP website. Then, download the version for your operating system, either Windows, Linux, or Mac. The download will start automatically. If it doesn't, click here. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation. You'll see a screen with various services. Keep all the default options selected, especially Apache and MySQL. Here, the default installation path for XAMPP on Windows, then click Next. Once the installation is finished, open the program to get started with your local development environment. Let's get Apache and MySQL up and running. Simply click the Start buttons next to both Apache and MySQL. You should see their status change. OK, now, you're all set to start creating and testing your web applications. Are you ready to create your first project? Let's dive in. First, create a new folder in the htdocs folder inside the XAMPP directory. The htdocs is the root directory for your local server. When you type localhost in your browser, it points to this htdocs folder. In this way, you can test and run your files as if they were hosted on a live server. Now, open your Visual Studio Code and navigate to the folder you just created. Once there, create a new HTML file within that folder. I'll write some HTML code here, and test the scripts to ensure they work correctly. And save the file once I'm done. Open your web browser, and type localhost, the name of your HTML file, in the address bar. This should bring up your web page. If you're working with databases, open phpMyAdmin, by typing localhost phpMyAdmin, in your browser. Here, you can create new databases and manage existing ones. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video.